Milton Stigmata Eyes. I'm Milton, son of a carpenter and Mary. Daddy carpenter worked on skyscrapers, Mom Marianne. I am the son of a carpenter and Mary. I get to tell parables, and I also do a little genetic carpentry. Growing a new pair of eyes. Not always easy to see the right eye, as I can't see the reverse screen, and I don't know what I'm showing you. Oh, that's what they look like, real big. And yes, I've got my eye on you girls. Come be in Melton's imagery. Today. Milton Stigmata Eyes, my Stigmata Eyes, doing a little genetic carpentry. Yes, I'm the son of a carpenter and Mary. A daddy carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom Marianne. I am the son of a carpenter and Mary. I get to tell parables, and it's kind of hard for me to see the screen, so you just have to see that they catch the light a whole lot better than they used to. It used to be all dark brown. Then they started changing the color and the size even. Bigger bluer circles growing in through and around the smaller browner circles here, and yeah, this part here is gone. It's a long process. If you wait till after the first 9 months, it can be a really long process. I am Milton, son of carpenter Mary. Daddy carpenter worked on skyscrapers, Mom Marianne. I'm the son of a carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables. These are my stigmata eyes. Slowly but surely changing color, a little genetic carpentry on my behalf. Slowly but surely changing colors. Yeah, working on those spiral staircases. Used to be all dark brown. And you can see 2013 dark brown, 2014 about a year later, and smaller brown circles slowly disappearing. Milton Stigmata Eyes. You grown a new pair of eyes, whole new body, and yes, the lightning is what I see in my vision, which is a whole lot better than it was like the first 30 years of my life. And I am the son of a carpenter. My dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Marianne. I'm the son of a carpenter. I get to tell parables. And I was told stigmata wounds are supposed to be in the palms, so I put them right there. Yeah, blue-eye DNA slowly taking over for brown-eye DNA. Me doing a little carpentry. Come tell me in person what you think about that. I am Milton, son of a carpenter. My dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Marianne. I'm the son of a carpenter and Mary. And these are my stigmata eyes, a little whiter, I think, at that point there. If you've watched some of my stigmata eyes and sugar check parables, you can see a lot of difference from day to day sometimes. But yes, I used to be all dark brown. Started changing in 1996. Yeah, I'm doing a little genetic carpentry. That's some carpentry. Don't try this at home. And oh yeah, the vision's so much better with or without glasses. I wouldn't be able to roll around at all, or walk what little I can without my glasses before.
Oh, girls, the traffic isn't that loud, and you speak a little louder than you think. I hear what you say across the road there. Ended up in heaven when I ended up in the wheelchair when I fell out of heaven. Actually, I'm growing a new pair of eyes. I don't know if they'll show up. New pair of eyes, whole new body. I might as well get a Stigmata Eyes in. I'm Milton, son of a carpenter. My daddy carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom, Mary Ann, I am the son of a carpenter. I get to make purples, and yes, it used to be all dark brown, darker than the brown you see there. Now they're bigger and a little bluer, and this one's always hard to see. But come tell me what you think of my Stigmata Eyes.
I am Milton, son of a carpenter, married daddy carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom, Mary Ann. I'm a son of a carpenter, I get to tell parables, and these are my Stigmata Eyes. I'm growing a new pair. I got to build Jesus' immaculate house here on earth. But yeah, look how a little more, you can see the spoke lines a little better today. The brown part can be more white as the change occurs. They used to be all dark brown. The smaller dark brown eyes, slowly but surely getting out of there. The bigger blue eyes growing in through and around. Long process. Don't try this at home. Dad himself taught me to do the genetic carpentry. Milton Stigmata Eyes, growing a new pair. Gotta grow a whole new body. Build Jesus' immaculate house. Try to call me, 424-229-4140. Tell me what you believe. That's what I mean by Jesus' immaculate house. And see religious censorship that affects your lifeline. Make a video of it. A video of truth. Whatever boring thing you get, phone ringing, error message, busy signal, it's not going to be boring. If you need a fireman, police, paramedic. Money out of your pocket all the time with your gates of livelihood, but yeah. It's going to be just as newsworthy, me not getting a 93, taking a decade of asking. If your family's lifeline is not allowed to work because of political, religious, or business censorship when you need it to. So make a video right now. And if my equipment here, electronic equipment, is working well enough, I'm going to show you my sugar check. Yes, Milton, the son of a carpenter and Mary. A dad, a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. A mom, Mary Ann. Yes, the guy who looks really sharp in that hat there. Have a little emergency, girls? Try to call me, 424-229-4140. See the devil stealing your call. Come see me in person, 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. Yeah, somebody's done that. 236. When you see someone besides me in this imagery, me and my Stigmata Eyes. Apparently it takes a whole lot of blood sugar to grow a new pair of eyes. Smaller browner circles disappearing, bigger blue circles growing in through and around. Medical research being passed by. Milton Stigmata Eyes. Yeah. Used to be all dark brown. Let me show you on the fridge there. And now slowly but surely changing color. Yes, I'm Milton, son of a carpenter, married daddy carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom, Mary Ann. I am the son of a carpenter. I get to do genetic carpentry. Do not try this at home. Used to be more like this most of my life, and then slowly but surely you see the smaller browner circles disappearing, the bigger bluer circles growing in through and around. Oh, this is Sunday. Get that thing you believe in on video. I'm Milton,
a son of carpenter Mary, and try to show you my stigmata eyes. Growing a new pair. Smaller, browner circles slowly disappearing, bigger blue circles growing in through and around. Yeah, they're doing some genetic carpentry as a son of carpenter Mary. Don't try this at home. And yeah, if you know what's going on with that, what will hasten the process, come see me. Handsome ball guy. Look for me in a motorized wheelchair. You got to replace all the brown-eyed DNA with the blue-eyed DNA, even with the muscles. You come tell me and see me and tell me what's going on with those eyes. He is also a fixable, of course. Blue-eyed DNA and brown-eyed DNA are fighting it out sometimes. If you know what's going on, come tell me in person how to speed up that process, because I'm growing a new pair of eyes, whole new body, to build Jesus' immaculate house here on earth. Try to call me to see religious censorship. Yeah, the kind that places a cowardly Hussein in our White House right after we got attacked by a whole lot of cowardly Husseins with 9/11. Currently has a buffoon wrestling guy, Trump, in there. No joke there. Remember to tell that joke he got perfectly just once, just get it on video. Also goes for the serious stuff. Tomorrow, Sunday. Put down what you believe. Doesn't have to be anything you hear in church. And get it out there for the world to see. And yeah, come see me in person so we can get started. You see some way besides me in the 26,000 plus images you're going to find it. Through the links at youtube.com/meltonforimagery there. You find someone besides me there, someone's torn down that great wall of Oriental evil that is holding back medical research with the eyes here, and holding back Jesus' immaculate house as well. Come see me in person, you see someone besides me in this yellow flower, we started to build that person, to build that opportunity house. Yeah, you can call it an opportunity house. It's an opportunity for all kinds of businessmen from all over the world, businessmen and businesswomen, to build a better world. But I have to tell you, it's Jesus' immaculate house, because there will be a test at the end. I hear it's pass, fail, or purgatory. So yeah, be on the right side of that, and come tell me, what does that place need to inspire the future and the present to greatness with? My stigmata eyes. I am Milton, son of a carpenter and Mary. Daddy carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I am the son of a carpenter and Mary. I get to tell parables. I'm also growing a new pair of eyes. Don't try this at home. The dad himself taught me how to do the genetic carpentry. You know, working on those spiral staircases that are our genetics. They started out mostly brown, and this from about 2014 has that smaller, browner circle disappearing, bigger, bluer circle growing in through and around. Yeah, genetic carpentry. Try to call me, tell me what you think. 424-229-4140, and see that you got to come see me in person. Yeah, they show up at least once, if not 2 or 3 times a winter. And no, I don't think it's just dry skin. I think it's something to do with my genetic carpentry as a son of a carpenter. My dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of a carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables, and I'm doing the genetic carpentry with the eyes, slowly but surely. Brown-eyed DNA being replaced with blue-eyed DNA. Yeah, that's why I'm in the wheelchair.
But yeah, I just took some eye drops doctor prescribed, so I don't think it look any different.